Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon, and I am finally back with another entrepreneur life video. It has been over a week and your girl just needed a break. To be honest, I just completely needed a break between YouTube, between running Lavish Curls Beauty. It's been a lot, especially February. February was such a busy month for me because it was my 2-year anniversary for Lavish Curls Beauty. I was doing a sale and it was just a crazy hectic month for me. It was actually one of my highest paid months too. Lavish Curls made the most money it's ever has made in 1 month last month. So it was a crazy month for me. So I just needed like a mental break. So I was still doing, Lavish Curls Beauty stuff, but I at least needed a break from something. So I just decided to put the camera down and not do any filming last week. So that was my little break to myself. And I'm back and I'm a little more rejuvenated. So we're back into the swing of things. It is a Monday. I don't know where my phone is. Oh, here. It's Monday, March 7th. So yeah, I took a 7-day break basically. And we're back at it. So today I wanted to just, check in, show you guys some inventory stuff that I've gotten that I need to unbox. I'm unboxed stuff with you guys real quick. I also just made some curl defining creams today, just a few of them, because I need to go to storage and get more of these containers out. You guys know I have a storage, so I'm gonna head over there and get some containers because I've used up all of what I have at the house. But the curl defining cream is one of my new products from Lavish Curls Beauty, and it's what I use to do my braid out. You get such good definition, shine, moisture. Like, it speaks for itself. A customer actually ordered 3 of them. What was that, today or yesterday? Somebody ordered 3 of them. And so far, out of all the stylers, it is my best seller so far. So yeah, there's the curl defining cream, there's the styling gel, and there's the curling custard. And the curl defining cream is doing really good because everybody's been seeing my results and how good my hair has been looking. Because like last night, all I did was do 3 French braids on this side, 3 French braids on this side, and unraveled it, and my hair looks amazing. Gives your hair such good definition. So if you are interested in my new hairstyler, head over to lavishcurlsbeauty.com. Link is in the bio. And yeah, later on today I do have some products to label. I might make that a second video, or I might film it tomorrow. We'll see. I already did 2 posts for Lavish Curls Beauty. I plan to do 3 posts today. So what I did is I posted a reel, because you guys know every week I promote a different collection. So this week we're focused on the scalp psoriasis collection. So I did this reel. I'm gonna turn it down just in case of copyright. I'm really not sure, but yeah, I just gave some key details of the fact that it's sulfate free, removes flakes, calms flare-ups, yada yada. Instagram is heavily pushing reels. They're no longer pushing photos. So take that advice, and instead of pictures of your products, create reels, okay? And give information. And do it in a short span of time. They like to push 9-second reels as well. So you need to pack all that information in 9 seconds. People have short attention spans. They do not want long-winded. They don't want anything long anymore. They just want it straight to the point. So yeah, I just made a quick reel. And plus it pushes and gets it in front of more people versus a picture now. Because like I said, Instagram just pushes it out to more people. So I made a reel, and then I also just posted a picture of like hair inspo. So this girl with her natural hair, so I posted that. And then also I just posted on my story the curl defining cream, the reel, and then also like my little swipe up story thing I do. You're gonna see that next, where it kind of like scrolls and shows you my website. I honestly feel like I'm the only person that does that. I think I started that. So and I also updated my website the other night. It was just random. I was like, you know what, I want to update my website, so I did. And I'm glad I did, because I'm like, it's been 2 years. It's time to update that website. So I just kind of like changed the format and just, you know, rearranged some things. And now it looks more aligned. What the heck? A gnat just came out. No, you guys, one of my pet peeves is gnats. But let me turn this down some. So, I literally hate that they fly in people's faces. It's the most annoying thing ever. But I updated my website. Love how it looks. And I'm going to still do a little bit more updates to it. But for now, I'm really liking the more clean look. Okay, so yeah, that was another update. What else have I been up to, guys? Yeah, just working on marketing. I have some Facebook ads that are running right now, and I'm going to be working on just creating even more content. You guys know I had taken a break from my natural hair. I was wearing it straight for a while, but I came out with stylers, so it was like I gotta bring my natural hair back out to promote and like show how good they work and everything like that. So brought that back out for play. And yeah, things are going great. I already got an order today. I got a big order today, so that's good. I'm going to ship out orders tomorrow. Like I said, I made the curl defining cream. And other than that, I have a pretty chill Monday work day. So let's go ahead and get into this inventory. And if there's any other information I forgot to tell you guys, I will tell you. Okay, some of this stuff I haven't even opened. Like, it's just been sitting. And I order a lot of my inventory in bulk now. But a lot of this stuff is from Amazon. I did have an Amazon Prime membership, but since I order stuff in bulk now, I don't really find the need for the Amazon Prime membership. Somebody was walking by outside. That's why I'm looking. But I don't feel the need for it, so I canceled it since I just order in bulk now. And so that's one less deal. So right here we have lavender essential oil. This is the brand that I use. It's the most trusted brand that I can recommend to you guys on Amazon. There are a lot of fakes out there, so you want to be careful of that, because some of that essential oil isn't really essential oil, so you got to really be careful. So that's lavender. This is peppermint oil. And then I also have rosemary oil. Alright, let's open up the next one. I keep checking the time too, because I have a toenail appointment to get these toes done. What's this? Okay, so this is African shea butter, 100% natural. Also ordered that off of Amazon. This is 5 pounds. I usually order it from somewhere else, but I'm not giving up that source. And then next, I ordered more fenugreek seeds. This is what I use to make the yalon fenugreek leave-in grow spreads. So it's these. I ordered 2 of them because I run through them very fast, because everyone just be buying up the yalon fenugreek spreads now. So that product has increased in sales. It's this one, the aloe and fenugreek. Okay, my camera is focusing horribly today. Okay, so my camera is not trying to focus today. It keeps only trying to focus on me. But the aloe fenugreek leave-in grow spreads is my baby. This is made with fenugreek, nettle, burdock. And you can basically, when you wear your hair natural like mine, I don't recommend you using this when your hair is straight. I only recommend you using it when it's naturally curly or in like braids. But you can spray this every other day at your roots, and it really promotes fast hair growth. And you can also spray it on the length of your hair as well. So we have that. Also from Amazon, I ordered more. I don't know why they packaged it like this. There, you can see it better now. My camera is really washing everything out today, but these are safety seals. I put these on my shampoos, and it's way easier when I'm packaging stuff, and it keeps it safer. So yeah. Oh, we have another package over there as well. Hold on. Okay, so get this open. You guys, I tried a new drink from Dunkin'. It's so good. It's that medium drink was only $3, and it's their salted caramel cold brew sips or something. I don't know. It's something new that they're doing a promotion on, where their new salted caramel drinks are $3, and this was my first time getting it, and it's so good. I usually don't even go to Dunkin' no more, because you guys know I was going like all the time. And then I finally got a recipe that I like for at-home iced coffee, so I don't run to Dunkin' and Starbucks and stuff like that no more, which also saves me money. But yeah, I have a really good recipe I like. I'm not going to show the brand, but this is my neem oil. I got, what is this, 128 ounces, so a gallon of neem oil. And that's used for the scalp psoriasis collection. And then it's like way too much. It's like way too much to open, you guys, because it's a big box. So I don't know if I really want to open it, because I might just take this to storage. But it's a big box full of bubble mailers, different size boxes. I just had to re-up on my shipping boxes, because when I had my sale, I noticed I kind of need more big boxes, and then I do kind of want to keep some bubble mailers. I told you guys I was going to discontinue using bubble mailers, but I feel like it's still fine if I just get an individual order for like a hair growth oil or a scalp psoriasis treatment. I'm looking at my product stash, but it's good for that, so I'm gonna just keep that. And then I also need to order more packaging peanuts soon, and then just a few of my oils, and then that's pretty much it. Other than that, like, I still have like all my bottles and jars in stock, because I keep those at storage. Just like all my really big bulk items, I order and just keep it at storage, and it just, like I said, it makes my life easier, because my storage is literally down the street. So if I need something real quick, hop in my car, drive there real quick, and then I'm back home in like a minute. So it's so convenient, so easy, and I just know that I have what I need on deck. Like, I don't have to waste time driving to the store. Like, I'll re-up on stuff every now and then, like my aloe vera juice, distilled water. I'll go to the store and probably buy like 10 of them at a time, take them all to storage, and just keep it there, so I know, like, okay, you have distilled water, you have aloe vera juice, it's all at storage. Because sometimes when I go to the stores, it'll be random, like I won't be able to find distilled water. Like, that happens a lot, and I'll go to different stores in that same day, and there'll just be a shortage on distilled water. So when I can, I like to just buy it up so that I can have it, so I don't have to worry about being behind on making products. It's like, okay, I know it's at storage. I don't have to go to the store and hope that it's in stock. You get me? And then also, like aloe vera juice, Target only stocks usually 3 at a time, and I feel like I'm the only person that buys it, because every time I go, there's always 3. So I always grab all 3 of them, and then I just put it in storage, because I run through that very fast, because majority of my products are made with aloe vera juice. So yeah, make sure I stock up on that. I just make sure I stock up on everything, because like I said, my business keeps growing. I have to keep up with demand, and I do run through things pretty fast. Like, even me buying certain things in bulk now, what I predicted I would need is already kind of going fast, because business keeps growing, which is a great, amazing thing. And if you're watching and you've supported Lavish Curls, bought anything, I greatly appreciate you. Thank you so much, because you guys are amazing. Like, you guys be showing up for my brand. You guys really tell people about it. You guys really love the product. Like, you guys always tell me, like, Yalon, this works good on my hair, like, it's working. And you guys have really seen my progress with my hair and how my hair has been flourishing and looking good. So yeah, guys, I I'm just here to say that I am back, and I'm about to get ready for my nail appointment. Well, it's just toenails, but I'm about to get ready to go do that, and then I need to do some grocery shopping. But other than that, my work day is pretty much done. Yeah, it's pretty much done. So yeah, guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's video and just me doing a little bit of catch up. Make sure you always leave down below your video recommendations for like entrepreneur content you guys want to see from me, and I will look into doing it. But other than that, do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.